Tired of your Clockify data being trapped inside the platform? Let's break it free. First, head over to Clockify's web app and make sure you're logged into your account. Will be working directly from the browser. Now, find the Reports tab, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to access the reporting dashboard. Here, you'll customize your report. Select the date range you need today, this week, last month, or a custom range. Use the filters to narrow down the data by user, project, tag, or client. Really dial in exactly what you want to see. Choose the report type, whether it's a summary, detailed, or weekly report. Each offers a different level of granularity. For example, the detailed report provides individual time entries. Once you're satisfied with your report, look for the Export button, click it, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various file formats. CSV is your go-to for spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. It's great for data analysis and manipulation. Excel format offers a more structured and formatted export directly compatible with Microsoft Excel. PDF is perfect for generating clean, presentable reports for clients or internal presentations. Select your desired format and click to start the download. Your report will be saved to your computer, ready for use. Now you can analyze, share, or integrate your Clockify data into other systems. You've successfully unlocked your time tracking data.